ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ke Sorkar kala Pyllait hadu arpho Klur tingka ke Pisa ke Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council nagabenta ban Siew Tulop yaki Nongtrei yakane le yatho do menteri rangba jong ke jelna Konrad gonggal sangma haba keren shikilat pathai khubor hadin ke jingelang bo mau nongrim ya ke jingte ya ke dairy campus hamukla langshor ha ke khandai trik ubnai rempang arajar arpuar kum makalong menta ka council ka shamshitam bha namarba nakadaw ka jing khangti doyong hanrei wat la kataru ka Sorkar kala kershanya ka council bat kan wadi kilat kilenti banyarap shishu ya ka council hagabaya day bat ka jing sa teng ka jing pentrei ka shopping complex hayau musiang usangma ulaong ba ka jing trei kan peteng biang nangne shakhaman.
So we have just in fact day before yesterday we have released another 20 crores to the Jhadc, and with that they will be able to release quite a substantial amount of 3-4 months of salaries, and at the same time the proposals have gone for further release of further funds for them, so that also is under process. So yes, we are under process of giving full support to the Jhadc and the CEM and the EC as a whole. They have been meeting very regularly. They've been very concerned about this issue, but of course, as you are aware, that the overall revenues of the state in terms of the royalty share, the royalty aspect has gone down because of the mining, and that has impacted the collection of revenue. But still, we are finding ways and means in which we can support, and we'll continue to support the Jhadc. Yeah, so the beautification process is a part of the Smart Town initiative which we have taken, and this is being done in Tura and Jhadc both. So this is a package that will continue. We feel that there are a lot of junctions which with a basic facelift which is going on in Tura right now. You will see as it happens a basic facelift of increasing the changing the tiles, putting better lighting, cleaning up this surrounding, putting up better overall boundary walls and other beautification aspects can lift the overall look of these junctions. So while that happens, you are aware that we have also initiated the process of acquiring a new land for the dumping ground. That process also is on. I'm sure that it should be completed very soon. We are doing the same for Tura as well as for Shillong also. So the process is on for all the 3 major city towns in the state. Then the second part was?
Land.
So land will, so that's what it is. So
yeah,
we
don't have yet. We have yet to have a civic bodies also. No?
Yeah, so civic bodies is a much more complicated aspect. As you're aware that it requires elections to be taken place, and there's always been a challenge in this. It's not that last 4 years we had this. This is from a long time. So these need to be resolved, and we don't want to be in a situation where we are forcing things on people. So we need to take people into confidence. We will see how to work forward in this, and we'll try to find a resolution. It's not simple, but in the meantime, the other development processes should not stop, and that's why these processes are going on. And let's see, we'll work towards seeing if we can have civic bodies, but difficult to say right now. So the mining license involves 2 steps and processes. One is to first give the prospecting license, and once the entire study is done and prospecting is done, then the second step is to then submit the mining plan to different agencies in central government, and then the approval comes, and then the mining plan, and once approval is done, they can go ahead with the mining. So there are more than 15-20 cases of individuals or companies that have now, it's mostly individuals only, they're not really companies. So the individuals have already filed for prospecting license, and they have already got it also, and the process is on. Once that does happen, the mining plan also will be prepared, and we are very hopeful that in the next few months we should see that at least a few mining plans to be approved by the IBM, that's the Indian Bureau of Mining, and the other agencies in central government, and we'll be able to actually see scientific mining process start in the state as per the Supreme Court order of July 2019. But I don't have the exact update with me as of now, but yes, it has resumed, and it will continue. So there may be some small problems here and there which I am not aware of right now. but I'll find out. But rest assured that what commitment we have given, that the process of the entire construction of this will continue. We may not be able to finish everything in one go, but in phase-wise manner, we'll ensure that the construction continues and the benefit goes to the people of Jhadc.